Welcome back, guys, to a brand new episode of That Metal Guy TV. Yes, I'm sitting in front of an old classic car. It's a 1961 Cadillac DeVille, and I want to show you how we removed this from inside of a long-term care home here in London, Ontario. And the only way to take it out was through two man doors in pieces or by crane. And we did just that. So if you want to see that and more, sit back, strap in, and let's go pick.
Check it out. Check it out. She's a big boy. So we're using this to get that car out today. It's on the other side of that wall. A lot of work and effort here. 3 companies, my company, the crane company, as well as the retirement home, all coordinating this removal. I have donated the money to pay for the removal in exchange to get the vehicle out and make a project for my daughter and I. So we'll get you in some more action here. Okay guys, we are on the other side waiting for the boom to get the spreader bars down here and the straps so we can strap this puppy up. We got cameras on this angle. Look at this baby. Beautiful. In the middle of a courtyard. The only way to get this thing out,
have to swing to your left about 5 feet.
Is up.
Cable's at about 30 feet.
Right there. We got another camera over here. We do have one here. And we have one up on the gimbal. We're gonna get this thing all rigged up. We got some mattresses over there, old mattresses. We're gonna use some pieces of the foam to try and keep this ridge from getting ruined. That's the biggest deal right now. So fingers crossed, everybody. All right, now we're gonna feed these lines underneath people. We gotta wear these silly gowns.
Yeah.
Makes it a little bit more difficult. Pin ready. Get her in there. That's what you say, that's what she said. We want to make sure these are fully tight, people, or else we will lose a strap.
Perfect. Alright, feed this one through.
Sounds good. Make sure I'm not stepping on any of those flowers. Make sure we're all set here. Just like strapping a load down. Ready?
Got it.
Yep. I'll come on that side. Oh, should be good. Clips right there.
Who are you talking to in there, Kyle? You ordering pizza?
I want a large. It's got a twist in it. Oh, I see. Yep.
Yeah, I got it on my end.
There you go.
Good?
Yep. Cut these cushions up. This is our plan with them. I hope that's gonna work.
Yeah, we have lots of it anyway.
Oh yeah. the nerve-wracking part. This is the nerve-wracking part of the leading business on making sure everything goes smoothly for all three companies here. Take on a job, you got to make sure it's done right, run smoothly. They are now booming it up. I see the gimbal. The gimbal is now coming up. Zoom in a little bit here for you guys. The gimbal is now coming up. We should be able to start seeing the chains, which will be connected to the shackles. They're called spreader bars. And then onto our 30-foot boat straps that are 20,000 ton brake capacity each. So we got 40,000 tons of weight pull on there. Here comes the spreader bars now. You should see in about 5 seconds the 1958 Cadillac